Hi, I'm Terry B. Jones of TJ and TJ Insurance Agency. We are a family helping families have financial success, and we're here at the Money Matters Budgeting Financial Success Workshop. And I just have one of our participants here today just going to share with you something that she learned of value here today that is beneficial to her as well as others.
Thank you so much for sharing, both you and your husband. It was a lot of useful information. I applied regarding retirement. I am self-employed, so a lot of times you don't think about retiring, but we can't depend on the Social Security. We have to look at other means of investing our funds, the money that we make, to invest in our future, because we never know what tomorrow may bring. So I learned a lot of useful information regarding putting money to the side, IRAs, Roth IRAs, even information regarding insurance, life insurance, making sure that our children are well taken care of, because tomorrow's not promised. We do not know when we're leaving this earth. One thing's for sure, that we all will pass over to the other side, and the best thing that we can do is be prepared. So I'm grateful for the information that was shared today. It was very, very instrumental. It just makes me want to go home and apply some things. So I'm ready to prepare my budget. I'm ready to just make preparations for my retirement and also life insurance for my family. So thank you, TJ and TJ. It is a lot of useful information, and it is appreciated.
Thank you. So if you need any insurance, we are TJ and TJ Insurance Agency. We're located at 5785 Wilson Boulevard, suite number 1, or you can call us at 904-619-5686.
Awesome.